Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me!
Are you happy?
Yes! We're going to Enchanted Kingdom! Yay!
Bungal ka pa. 8 years old ka.
I want the birthday cake!
Later, anak, when we eat.
Kalahati pala dyan, pumigit na ako eh.
Ay, ang ganda ng SP nila. Ay, oo nga.
Hi! When's your birthday again? My birthday! And when is it? December 11, 2016! Yeah! Hi! To! Hi!
Kaitan.
Hi!
Mother, 8 years ago, anong nangyayari at this hour?
What are you doing?
Ano 8 years ago.
Ngayon?
Yeah.
Nag-labor pa din ako at this point. Hindi pa rin ako, 2 cm pa rin ako mula pa ng oras na yan. 7 PM pa ako nanganak eh. At this point, nagaan pang 8 years ago. Nararamdaman ko yun sa uuti talagang. Ito yung mga oras na ganito na yung mga
Mana?
Ayoko na.
Isa pa.
Tapos, grabe na, tinatawag totoo pa rin, tatawagin mo lahat ng santo. 8 years ago and I can still remember vividly yung pakiramdam, yung sakit. Oh no! Anyway, 8 years later, we're here now at Saturday.
Yeah! Hala, hindi na play.
Dyan lang. Tapos doon na rin namin i-avail kung gusto na. Thank you. Papaprint tayo. Tara, check natin. Happy birthday, anak ko!
I love you,
I love you more, anak.
Yay! Thank you!
Thank you. Kuya, okay, mag-picture tayo mamaya tatlo na. Kasi magdadrama. It's been 80 years and you're still with us.
Of course!
Celebrating every single beautiful moment.
Yes!
Sige, pasok muna kayo dun. Ikaw, samahan mo ako dito mag-decide. Oh, madami.
Okay ng presyo natin, nak. Magkano tubo mo dyan?
Expensive.
I want this.
Hi!
Galing mo ako invisible na.
Ay! Hindi pa dati?
Hindi.
Zia. Hi. dinosaur. Wow, static dinosaur.
Yeah, it is.
Bye, it's coming. What do you want to do today?
Are you happy?
Yes, it's my birthday.
Hi! Si birthday boy nauna na.
It's been 2018 since the last time I've been here. Ang dami nang nagbago. 2018, 2024, 6 years ba yun? Tama, no? 6 years, no?
6 years. Tama. Amazing yung math natin today. Videoan natin sila. Yes! Hi! Rio!
Walang talo pa natin.
Opo, sir. Wala po tayo.
Alin din yung malaki?
Pwede po yun, sir, kung yung pinag-play.
Kaya itong 50, sabihin mo sa akin. 100. Ate, loko-loko to. Target ko itong malaki.
Ang better, sir, dito kasi.
Labas na. Dire-diretso naman.
Kaya dito.
Also parang technically 100 pesos. Gusto pa naman nakita yung Eldor. Yay!
Siguro ko to sayang, hindi nalaglag yung isang blocks, 3 blocks yun, isang bato mo. Ay, tinapon.
Bota.
Wait kayo. Si Kaide, tinatapon niya lang eh. Hindi niya trip ni Kaide. Trip niya pagkain eh.
Hindi daw pagkain. Tinapon niya eh.
Kitan! Pwede si Kaide? Pwede si Kaide?
Sa gitna kasi. Kasi mangot siya. Si mangot.
Kaide! 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 Yay! Ala, nalulula na siya.
No.
Tumipili! Did you like? Daddy, mababa lang. Mababa lang yun. Uy, Daddy! Okay lang si Kaide? Ikaw, okay ka lang? Hindi siya natatakot. Wala Kaide. Did you worry? Namumula na! Oh. Kaya pa? Hala, nahihilo siya.
Kaitan! Control mo!
Oh, diba? As the mother of the year. Hi! Happy?
Yes, love you, Mommy. Thank you for bringing me to Enchanted Kingdom.
Aww.
Lumabas muna kami para mag-lunch.
Hi!
Dito kami sa gilid lang ng case.
para mag-lunch. Hindi na kami lumayo. Ilalagay mo lang ito dito para... Ano na? Anong try na? May mga sabaw ba? Ay,
Kahit ano kayo.
meron ba silang mga core group or ano gusto nyo ganun na lang?
Isa parang isang chicken na yun, isang may sabaw.
Sige, ako na para
May sinang gusto na isda.
sinigang na bangus or
Bangus po meron. Sinigang na bangus.
pag wala, bulalo na lang gusto mo. Hindi na alam yung menu nila. Hindi na alam yung menu nila. Hindi na alam kung ilang good for ilang person. Yung ano na lang yung available. So, we're waiting for the food. Hindi nila alam kung ilang minutes. Ay, okay. The birthday boy. Tayo ay mag-lemonade. Oo na ako. Ah, sarap. Amen. I'll change your clothes then after, ha? So you're sweating a lot already. Nappy change and change clothes ang mga bagets.
Hi! Look here! Bam, 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 bam.
Ito yung isa sa mga paborito kong rides dito sa EK. Mas umuulit-ulit ako ng ride dyan before. Kesa dun sa yung I Believe I Can Fly. Dun kasi nakakahilo talaga eh. Pero plano na ano, na gumaganon-ganon, tapos umiikot din siya, tapos gumaganon-ganon pa. Hilo talaga, pero masaya yon kasi may tugtog. Ito kasi isang ganun lang eh. Parang ang extreme na ng experience. Ang saya. So, itry mo na yan. Gusto ko nang ma-videohan dyan.
Hindi mo ko mabibiktima for today.
Goal ko nga marami kang ma-first time na ako yung nagpa-first time sa'yo. Sige na daw. Mamaya ha. Sige na, be.
Sama tayo.
Ay, hindi na ako pwede dyan kasi dalawa na anak ko.
Nahiwa na dalawang guys din, no?
Hindi naman ako mahihilo dyan kasi hindi naman siya umiikot-ikot eh.
Oo, so carry bumbo mo yan.
Kaya ko naman. Gusto mo ba?
Sakay ba tayo ng Ferris wheel?
Laro kami dun eh.
Talo.
May isang natitira sa akin eh. Si Kaitan din naglalaro, hindi niya tinatamaan.
Kita, hanggang here, anak, baka matalsikan siya ng basag. Focus. It's okay. Mahirap?
Mahirap.
Kasi hindi nga siya sturdy, no? Oh no! Goodbye for 100 pesos. Pwede?
Malalay ko na pa, ako na bahala.
Ay, hindi nakasagad yung paa niya dun sa ano, daddy.
Agad ko yung paso doon. Oh,
Sakto?
ah.
Saktong-sakto.
Gagokan siya.
Double seater yan, daddy. That is a real car.
I didn't know that's a real car.
That's a real one. So only daddy can drive, okay?
Daddy knows how to drive?
Of course.
But he doesn't have a car yet.
Yeah, but he used to drive, anak. First time to matatry ng asawa ko. Gustong-gusto niya talaga to eh. Nung huli kaming nandito, mag-jowa pa lang kami. Tamang nood lang kami dito kasi hindi na siya kasama sa budget. Like, wala kaming budget for the other stuff na hindi kasama sa ride all you can. So, yeah, tamang nood lang kami. Hindi namin ma-afford. So, ngayon, this is one thing that he's really excited about when we go. But ngayon na bumalik kami dito kasi may pera na for this. And wala lang, sobrang grateful lang kami. Tapos kasama na namin yung mga anak namin. And kahit na hindi ko siya matatry kasi hindi naman din ako marunong mag-drive and everything. Medyo takot din ako dyan. I'm so happy for him. I'm just really so happy for him. Yeah, ito. I have to make sure that I will be filming this part and I will be treasuring this moment, you know. Okay kayo dyan? Ano yung ginagawa niyo, Daddy? Nag-fill out ng form? Waiver? Okay. Kailangan ng waiver kasi
Makina yun eh.
makina yan. It's a real car, anak, ha?
Real car.
Sige, hindi mo siya binrafing kanina. Sabi ko sa kanya, or you're not supposed to drive it. Sabi ko, only Daddy can drive it.
But you will experience riding a real old car.
Yeah. Ito lang kami manonood.
For the cheer lang.
Yes.
Mga hindi marunong mag-drive.
Ito ang aming view. So, oh, yan. Solid.
Yung mag-ama naghihintay pa sa for their turn. Ano yan? Ay, marami pala sila.
Mukha na silang mga astronaut.
Once you're in the top or upper back, come in. Because it's a huge or a jacket. Standing in over the head or a top.
Hey, Dan! Behave, behave.
Ayos? Happy? Hindi niya na kaya yung bigat na helmet. He was?
Nabila ko ng picture, hindi nila alam sa surprise natin sila. Hindi nila alam may picture na sila.
Patingin ang picture.
Nagpa-print na.
Pinicturean pala siya. Patingin candid ba?
Hindi, nakahaan sila.
Ay, oh.
Ako na rin, nag-decision ako na pumili. Ito naman yung pinakamaayos. Tignan natin reaction nila.
Nay.
How was it?
Ay, kumaway kami.
Bakit na pumili?
Tatuwasin nyo yun eh. Was it like so cool?
How was it? How great is it?
We're waiting kasi meron fire dance. Let's see. No? Ano yun? Oh. Kaya kita. Did you enjoy today? What are we doing here?
We are sitting and watching we're going to watch the fireworks.
Fireworks.
Bye-bye.
How was the fireworks? Oh, let's go home na. Time to go home na. Ay, may seatbelt pala. May seatbelt.
Yes. Okay na, kanya rin. Pwede pa, ano?
Nak, huwag malikot ah. Hi! Happy birthday! This carousel is not the typical carousel, anak. It's fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
That's why there's a seatbelt.
The technique to not get dizzy is to look forward. Look forward.
Parents may stand, but must do so on the slide towards the center.
Oh my gosh!
Please stop. Enjoy a ride on the Grand Carousel.
What are you doing? Kaya ko pa. I still have it. Oh my gosh! Nakakahilo! Are you getting dizzy? You're not?
Yes.
Wow, you're so strong. Going home now. Are you happy?
Yes.
You had fun?
Yes, I
Go
did.
home now. Lead the way.
Bye. Happy birthday. Bye-bye po. Ingat po.
Where are we now?
First po, we'll go to East and then we're going to celebrate my birthday cake and then we're going to give me a present.
Present? Talaga? Who told you that?
Ate Ruth.
Oh, really? Oh, you sit down there. Ethan! Happy birthday!
Read it, read it.
Wala sa kamalay-malay. Fresh kahit covered. Happy birthday!
Are you happy?
Let's take a picture muna. Happy birthday! Yay! Thank you po. Happy birthday! Were you surprised? Oh, you can eat that. That's your treat.
Di mo ka...
Happy siya, oh.
Yung nabili kayo naman nila, thank you sa kanya. Sabi ko, oh, thank you for inviting us.
Yung conversation niyo today, thank you for dating.
Ay, favorite niya yung sounds. Ah.